we'll start with regular on the poi and the counterclockwise, chasing the sun, and then we're going to come up over the top, shorten the poi, bring it into the buzzsaw, and then just as a reminder, because you might not have done it for a while, do that movement like this where you come back with your kick and bring it back in front of you. And just for good measure, we'll do it a second time, even though you might not do it twice in performance. And then from here, plane shift it down onto your left hand, and then let's do the corkscrew, and then separate your corkscrew, and then bring your corkscrew back together, and separate your corkscrew, and bring it back together, and now turn with it, and now separate it and turn with it, and then come back to the front and bring it back together, and now bring it together time, come up over the head full length, and then we're going to come down under the leg, up, under the leg, up, under the leg, up, and under the leg, up, and then plane shift that up into the pinwheel, split the time, and go big for 3, 2, 1, and then we'll do a 360 to the right, and then go big again, 3, and 2, and 1, 360 to the right again, back to regular size pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, and right 360 in the weave, turning around, left 360 in the weave, turning around, right 360 in the weave, turning around, left 360 in the weave, turning around, open it up, and right turn chasing the sun, 360, and then left turn 360 and chasing the sun. So if you didn't catch that, I'll go a little slower, sweep back, step your left foot forward, sweep up over the top, turning to the right, and come back down and overhand. Now we're gonna sweep back left, step your left foot back, and come back up over the top. So we'll do it again. Right turn, sweep back, step left, up, over, turning to the right, come back down, and then left turn, sweep back, turn left, step your left foot back, come back up over the top, and right turn again. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step left, turn right, up, over the top, sweep back, turn left, left step back, come back into overhand. And overhand weave. And then giant, 2, 3, 4, turning right to underhand giant, 2, 3, 4, and swivel, 2, 3, 4, up into the pinwheel, and go big for 3, 2, 1, and we'll turn right, 360, come around, back to pinwheel, and then turn left, come into the together time cap for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and then right turn, 360, come all the way around, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, left turn, 360, all the way around, and 4, 3, 2, 1, right turn, 360, and last time, 4, 3, 2, 1, left turn, 360, come back into overhand, stall the left poi between the leg, turn right, overhand butterfly, right turn around, right out, come into underhand butterfly, right out, come into overhand butterfly, left out to underhand butterfly, left out to overhand butterfly, thread the needle, and then hip reel, and then come to the front and take the poi, and I want to go up stall, but that's not what you do, so do an out stall to the side, iron cross, come into underhand butterfly, and underhand opposite hip reel, and come back to the butterfly, and up to pinwheel, back to the butterfly, bring the right hand up, left hand down, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna waka waka, and pedal, and pedal, and pedal. So extension to the pedal, 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 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. Come back down into the underhand butterfly, back to the hip reel, and then come to the butterfly again, up to the pinwheel, and back down to the butterfly, and bring your right hand up, left hand down, 5, 6, 7, 8, the waka waka, to the 2 pedal stacked, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 5 more, 5, and 4, and 3 and 2 and last one. Come back into the underhand butterfly and drop stall. Hold, hold, hold. Okay, now we're going to turn left and we're going to go around 4 times. So coming up over the top and drop stall, turn, drop stall, turn, drop stall, turn, drop stall, turn. So you're back where you started as if you had just come out of the drop stall. Let's do it again just for fun. So we're back in the underhand butterfly, hip reel, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come to the butterfly. Now drop stall and left turn for 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and come into the overhand opposite butterfly and hip reel to the front into the butterfly, up to the pinwheel, back to the butterfly, stack your poi, right hand on top, left hand on bottom, and we'll go to the left first, 5, 6, 7, 8, waka waka to the stack, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and last one. And now come back down to your overhand butterfly and then iron cross out to the side, come into the underhand opposite hip reel, come into the butterfly, come up to the pinwheel, come back down to the butterfly, stack the circle right on top, left on bottom. We go to the right this time, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do 5 sets. Right side, left side, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and bring it back into the underhand butterfly. Drop stall again. Now we're turning left with the drop stalls and 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 into the overhand butterfly and hip reel up to the pinwheel. No, sorry, go to the front, then up to the pinwheel. Then go to the front again, stack a circle right on top. We go to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 5 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and last one. Coming back down into the overhand butterfly and then turn to the right. Do the 4 petal in spin flower. Left goes back, right goes front. We'll go around 4 times. That was 1 and we go 2 and come all the way around 3 and last time around 4. Now reverse into the anti-spin for 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down, flip the right point in. We're going to go all the way around in the turnaround with the butterfly, coming back to here, and then go 2 more positions so you end up on the left side. We'll do the 4 petal, left goes front, right goes back, in spin first, and 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now we're going to reverse, anti-spin 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come back down, left comes in, turn 360 to the right, and then we're going to go another 180, go back to the right side. Now we're going to do it in 2. Left goes back, right goes front. 7, 8, and sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, reversal 2 times, and second time. Now reverse again, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, reversal into the anti-spin. Second time, bring it back down, flip the right point in, butterfly, turn around to the left, 360, and then we're going to go another 180, so you end up on the left side. So 2 times in the in spin, 7, 8, and sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, down, anti-spin 2 times, and here's the second time, reverse again to in spin, sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, down, reverse to anti-spin. Second time around, bring both poi down, left poi comes to the front, and take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left, both arms up, and hip reel down, and back to butterfly.